Well, guys, it happened. I got my loan approved, finally. After all the paperwork that I've had to do for the last couple months, it finally got approved. I didn't get the whole amount that I wanted. It was only, well, I got about $5,000 less than what I asked for, but I'll still take it. I got approved. I was very surprised. I also got a very good interest rate, which is very surprising because, as I mentioned before, my credit's not very good. And, well, I haven't worked in 10 years, but I got 8%. So, shout out to SBA. SBA was kind of saved my butt on this one. Now, I need to start working and making money to start paying because there's no grace period on this loan, unfortunately. So, it's going to be interesting. Now, I already have the website almost done. It's about 70% of the way there. The channel here and the social media is still trending up, so that's good. There are other ways that I'm going to be making money other than my website. Those are to come. I'll make you guys think about that one. They all involve the printer, obviously. But the other ways that I'm going to do is the same as on-demand printing, but it's going to be through a company. Think of it like a Uber, but for 3D printing. So it's kind of like sharing your printer with this company, and you print for them. So they handle most of the work, most of the administrative work, I should say. You just print, pack it, and ship it, and then you get paid. I've used that service before in the past. It's kind of pricey, not gonna lie, but the margins should be pretty good. So that means that as the printing or the printer person should make enough money. I figured that was a good way to get started, at least so that I could get enough prints under me to get a gallery going. Start showing off what I can do, learn some of the stuff that I don't know yet, because there's some stuff I don't know how to do yet, what I would like to admit. But the idea is that I might be able to get started soon. Now, I don't have the money yet. We have to close. I think they told me that we'll be closing next week. And then I should have the money within a couple days after closing. So that's exciting. The company that I went through for the loan did pretty good. They helped me a lot during the process. It's called Left Fund, and I have to recommend them if you're looking for a loan and maybe your credit's not what it's supposed to be. When you're starting a business or any kind of thing, because they helped me, and they. I don't want to admit this, but they kind of held my hand throughout the process and helped me get this loan. Like I mentioned before, I got denied with a regular loan, but then they automatically went ahead and did the SBA loan to see if I qualified. They helped me get all the paperwork done and all that. It did take a long time, but I don't know. I don't know if that's a long time. I've never had to do business loans, but maybe it is normal. Comment it, leave a comment. Let me know if if this is supposed to take a long time or not. To me, it took a long time because I'm not used to waiting. I'm a very impatient person. Those who know me can attest for that. Between my ADHD and being impatient, it's not fun having to wait. But now, I'm looking forward to ordering all the equipment. Maybe some unboxing videos may come this way. Maybe show you guys how I failed my first print, maybe. I don't know. Maybe I did good. Stay tuned. But the idea is that now I can start. Now I can, once I get the money, so technically not now, but soon I'll be able to start. I was able to start making money, which is the idea. Like I mentioned before, I am not expecting to be making a lot of money. This never was about becoming rich. I mean, I'm not opposed to it, but it is about making more money so that, you know, we can live more, have a more comfortable life. Because what we get from disability is just not enough. But, you know, I'm still surprised that they approved me for the loan on disability. That was a couple moments there, it got kind of questionable about whether or not it will be approved, but I'm so happy right now. I know I may not show it because it's almost midnight and I'm tired and I've been doing a lot of work today trying to get things ready, but I am super excited. I'm super pumped. So yes, so loan approved, awesome. The closing should be next week. Payments are not too bad. They're not too bad. The interest rate is what I'm surprised about the most, 8% for somebody with, you know, fair credit at most. So we'll see. Hopefully nothing gets screwed up during the closing, but looking forward to getting that loan so I can, you know, start ordering the printer, the filaments, and all the parts that I need to get. But it should be interesting. But that's all for now. Thank you guys, and this is Broken IT Guy. Have a good night.